Hi there, Jaakko. I'd like to show you Photoshop and how I'm using the workspaces. Now, I don't really like this normal setup in Photoshop when you open it, and I find there's a lot of things here what I really don't use and they just take screen space, so I'd like to kind of make my own settings, so I'd like to show you how I can do that. So you can actually save these workspaces in here and you can have your own, and even for special tasks, so if you're doing 3D texturing or if you're working with images or doing some paths or whatever, you can do your own workspaces for those and optimize them for your own liking. So it's very nice to be able to switch between these while you're working. So let's get started. So I just drag these guys out here and I kind of break this guy apart, and yeah, I don't normally almost don't use this kind of a so many of them, and so I normally use layers a lot. So I'm gonna actually do it like this. So get rid of maybe I can drag this guy here and actions, and so I don't like meet properties, adjustments. I don't really even use the info that much. History, yes, that's what I need, and close also. We can actually kind of, so layers is most important for me, and then we can also use actions pretty often. So I like to kind of stack these on top of each other so they stay in sort of one place. So I'm just gonna drag this guy in here, and I also use channels very much in my, especially when I'm doing textures. And then paths I sort of use sometimes, so I'm gonna kind of I like to have this guy just here as a button and double click it and I can close it down. And histogram, yeah, I'm gonna actually drag this guy in here because, you know, when I'm doing something I want to check sometimes the values. So libraries I don't use, history I do use, so I'm gonna put this here, and this is basically it. Yeah, I think we are done. I like to have my layers actually on more central location because they are the ones that I use most often. So this is it. Yeah, we could done, and I'm just go and you can go in here and workspace and you can create new workspace, and we can actually call this demo, for example, and we can also save some keyboard shortcuts menus and toolbar if you want, but they are optional. So it's just the panel locations are now by default, so I'm going to save it, and anytime when I move around, switch around, I can actually go back now to this. So it's super handy, super clean. So it's much more nicer to work with Photoshop when you have this kind of clean setup and you don't have anything extra here, so your eyes can just move between the content and so on. And yeah, you're really free to put the things that you use most often here. So yes, just a little tip about using the workspaces in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe. I hope to see you soon. This was Jaakko, and bye bye.